Hello students of Class 11 and 12 CBSE Computer Science with Python. Welcome to TechBox 247. In this video we are going to learn about the very first topic in our syllabus. That is Python Revision Tour 1. Let us move on to the video quickly.
Let us see the simple introduction about Python. Python is an object-oriented, interpreted, high-level language and very powerful programming language. Well, what is meant by object-oriented?
Python supports object-oriented programming, which means it allows the creation and manipulation of objects. Python provides the following features that are central to object-oriented programming: classes and objects, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism.
Oh, what is meant by interpreted? I don't get this concept. Python is an interpreted language, meaning that Python code is executed line by line at runtime by the Python interpreter rather than being compiled into machine code beforehand. This has several implications such as ease of debugging, in which errors are reported at runtime; portability, which means Python code can run on any system that has the Python interpreter installed; interactivity means that Python can be run in an interactive mode, which is useful for testing and debugging code snippets. Oh, thank you very much for clear explanation regarding object-oriented and interpreted language. Now I understood. But I had one more doubt. Hope you will clear it. Why Python is known as high-level and powerful language?
Yes, sure, will explain you. Python is considered a high-level programming language. It means it abstracts away most of the complex details of the computer hardware, which allows developers to focus on writing their logic of their programs without worrying about managing memory, pointers, or other low-level operations. It has high-level features like rich standard library, dynamic typing, automatic memory management. Python is considered a very powerful programming language for several reasons. They are versatility, extensive libraries and frameworks, readability and simplicity, community and support.
Wow, it's very wonderful language too. I'm eager to know who developed Python language.
Yes, sure. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. In your Python revision tour journey you will revise all that you have learnt in Class 11. If you found
quiz time. What does abstraction help reduce in programming? A. Complexity. B. Speed. C. Memory usage. D. Compilation time. Comment your answers in the comments section below.